Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Woodsman Adventures. I'm out in Sierra Vista, Arizona today, riding a Honda CRF300L. And I just wanted to talk to you about, a lot of people ask if this bike would be what they'd want, kind of trying to make a choice of when they're buying, would they want to buy a CRF300L or buy a street bike, buy a full dirt bike. I can tell you the CRF300L, if it's for you, it's a great bike. It's super dependable. It gets great gas mileage, 72 to 75 miles a gallon. You can take it like here, I'm riding in town. And I also take this CRF300L, and you can see those mountains right there. I take this CRF300L, and we actually ride in those mountains. So this is a great bike, great choice for a beginner. It's a great choice for somebody that's an experienced rider, just to have a bike for a little over $5,000, depending on where you're at, 5 to 6. Some people pay $6,700. I pay $53 out the door in Honda, the Ozarks in Springfield. It just depends on where you're at and what you pay. But this is a great bike. If you want one that's dependable, it's smooth riding, the shifting is good, the ergonomics as far as the handlebars and layout's good, the price is good, then the Honda CRF300L would definitely be for you. Now, if you're wanting a bike to do motocross on, you want something to do, stupid extreme stuff on, and get crazy on and run with the guys with the dirt bikes and do that kind of stuff. I don't know where I'm going here. Then the CRF300L would not be for you, because you're better off to go, if you're going to spend an $8,000 or $10,000, then go buy a KTM, something that would more fit that kind of riding style. And now, if you're wanting to buy a CRF300L, if you're thinking to buying it, and you want to ride with all your street bike buddies, and you're wanting to go on big trips down the highway, I think I've turned into dirt down here. I don't know if I can go through or not. We'll see. But if you're wanting to go on big highway trips for a lot of miles, especially riding 4-lane stuff a lot, if you got to do a lot of 4 lanes and 75, 80 mile an hour roads and big trips, you're wanting to haul passengers, this bike is not for you. That's just not what it's made for. It does fine on roads, and you can get on a highway once in a while, a 4-lane, but I wouldn't recommend it, all day trips on the 4 lanes. It's just not good. It's lightweight. It's just, running the speeds of 75 is pushing the comfortable level of this bike. So, no, it wouldn't be for you if you want to do that. But if you just want a good bike, super dependable, you want something you can ride on this stuff, you can ride in the mountains, you can ride the gravel roads, you can ride in town, commuting back and forth to work, that is super dependable and gets great gas mileage, definitely I would say the Honda CRF300L is for you. So that's just my opinion of what you're going to get when you get a CRF300L. Great bike. Thank you all for watching Woodsman Adventures. Click the link down below to check out my Amazon store. Click the thumbs up on this video, subscribe, and we'll catch you all in the next adventure. Ride on.